Yo, what up, world? It's your boy Joel, my man Drewski behind the camera. In the words of my boy Drigo, we here. But only this time, guess where we at? Hello.
Real, let them know what's going on.
Nah, we're just here in Hong Kong, chilling, eating some good food, about to go see the Buddha. Yeah. You know? It's the type of things we do. Y'all can't see this, but Drewski has hot sauce all over his hands right now. Nigga
just Quali say, everybody act according to the season that they born in. Some in the night, some in the morning, some at noon.
We're on the wisdom path right now, man. We're just real happy that, you know, everybody's here safe and going to see the Buddha and shit. We're in the fucking mountains, man. Cussing and shit at the Buddha, you know what I'm saying? I'm just happy everybody got here and, you know, we're about to throw Battle Supreme here and, you know, about to go get cleansed. Our energy.
I was born in a season where the world was quiet and cold. Celebrations were going on. Some were happy, some were sad. Some felt bad from being good. Some felt good from being bad. The feelings pass and change, but they never leave. They here to stay. Holiday, happy birthday. Teenage love, the first cup run deep. So long flesh, this is the Brooklyn streets. Year of the ox, 7 and 3, MD. The history. Come on. Every soul got one day. Yes. It's where you been and where you be. And without understanding, you cannot proceed complete. The start, then the end. Then it just go round again. Again and again, brand new. Again and again, so fresh.
The train to Hong Kong will arrive in 4 minutes.
People love our rhythms, and that's what they dance to. The percussion, the rhythm. They don't dance to a flute player or violin player. They dance to the conga drum, the bongo drum, the carol, the timbales. You know, that's what people really dance to.
Right now, we're walking to Hong Kong, known for Sneaker Street, and all kinds of stuff. So, come with me.
Oh, bitch.
Where we at?
Hong Kong. Hong Kong. About to go to Sneaker Street. Try to get fresh.
These are Hong Kong shoes. You can't find this in the US. Cha-Cha getting the discount for 30%, and we're in Hong Kong. Discount on top of a discount, which is from America, like $120.
How much are you here?
$30. Yo, manhole up. That deserves a manhole up. Southside, Texas, Raleigh, Houston. Much love, peace.
Here we go, baby. Street soul. Check it, baby.
Everything I do, every single move, everything I do, every little move, it's gotta be a heavy groove, and everything I do, love from me and you, and everything I do could be funky from now on. Everything I do could be funky from now on. Everything I do could be funky from now on. Everything I do could be funky from now on.
About to go eat some. My boy Ty.
How much do you guys like?
Yummy, yummy, yummy， 我俩从小在一起，一片情意难忘记。
Joe, I'm here. You know what I'm saying? Come on, Sam. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Hey, Cha-Cha, what is he saying?
Heavy Goro.
Heavy Goro.
HK and HK, baby.
Yeah, I said too much again. Yeah, I pushed too hard again. And then I wanna stop, but when I was losing in the end, stupid once again. You wanna be my friend, and I pushed too hard again. I was losing in the end.
poison piece to Mike Bivens. I couldn't let you go and you know that. I can't see another man trying to blow that. That's critical, love shots hurting me. Dr. Wiggs said I need therapy. Torment, misery is killing me physically. Why murder me legally? I love you convincingly. So I'ma close my eyes and just pretend. This word on the streets, I'ma lose it in the air.
Yeah, I care too much, yeah. You stare too much, yeah. And this must be a sin. I always lose it in the end. Just chill out, that's what you said. Take a pill and go to bed. No matter how or when, I always lose it in the end.
Battle Supreme Hong Kong is about to go down. It's a packed house. All these b-boys in here are going to be battling it out to get a chance to come rep in Texas, come see how we live. We've been over here, experiencing their culture. They're going to come and see how we live down south.
But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me tight. But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me. But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me tight. But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me. You make me feel so nice when I'm around you. Wake up in the morning and I'll spend my whole life with you. The sweetness of your smile helps away with all of my fears. If it should all go wrong, my life succumbs to tears. I've never been so deep into anyone else but you. A place within my heart, never been so close to you. And if you want me to hang around and I'll never let go, I'll give you all my time, stick around with you for sure. But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me tight. But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze. But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me tight. But you make everything alright when you hold and you squeeze me.
Since the day that we got here, man, I had the time of my life, you know, and all the way up until today, man, y'all's culture is beautiful. Y'all very strong-hearted, and y'all have a lot of soul. And y'all show it a lot on the dance floor, man. And I just want to say, from the bottom of my heart, much love, much respect for letting this happen here, letting us come here and do this event. Man, it's been great. And man, I thank you guys so much.
From the time that I spent with you, I'll give you anything and everything will work out fine. So I can trust in you because you give me peace of mind.
What's up, B-Boy Palmer? Man, bro, do it. Event's done. It was awesome. And we just ate some awesome food. Now we're chilling with Jackie Chan. Yes, this is his real name.
Yep, Jackie Chan is.
Look, he's up.
Real.
And look what he's wearing. It's going down in Hong Kong. We headed back to Houston tomorrow. It's been great. SBTV has been here the whole time, and y'all came with us. It's a whole different world out here, but you know what? It's beautiful people. They all got soul, and it's been a great ride. So enjoy the episode. Peace.
TV.